Welcome to the video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to manage your billing inside of your Platform account. Specifically, this billing is going to be to keep your Platform account in good standings. This is not the billing and your payment settings for your membership app. This is actually to keep your full Platform account in good standings with us. So if at the end of this video you have any questions, you can always reach out to us on the Support Hub by navigating to, you guessed it, Support Hub. And you can see all of the FAQs. These are drop-down menus that you can go through and check out. There's videos inside of them and there's some text inside of them too. I want to point out this second drop-down where you can sign up for our weekly live streams where you can ask us anything, and you can also see demos of Platform and how it can be used for certain businesses. But if you have a unique question that you need answered right away, you can chat with us by clicking chat with us, and you can type here in this private chat anything that you want and it'll come directly to myself or my team. Anybody who is online, we will help you out as soon as possible. If for some reason you're waiting a little bit and you really want to send us another message, you can go to submit a ticket and you can send us a ticket and it'll go through our process that way. Alternatively, you can click at the top here where it says Help Docs. You can click that and it'll take you to our knowledge base where you can actually start typing in the search bar anything that you are looking to search, and it will give you a direct drop down if it can find it. After you click Help Docs, you can also go through and you can check out all of the Help Docs inside of here and get more in-depth knowledge on all the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, go to platformarea.com and sign up for a free trial today and find out how Platform can help your business. So let's get into managing your billing. All you have to do to manage your billing inside of Platform is go up to the upper right-hand corner, click Settings from the drop down, and then you'll see here there is a Billings tab. Click Billings. It's going to take you to our Billing Center here. Here you can update your payment method. So if you need to change your credit card, all you have to do is click Change Payment and just type in your new credit card and your expiration date and your CVC and click Submit, and that will update your card within our system so that on your next payment it can be charged appropriately and it'll actually go through successfully. Over here on the side, it actually shows what subscription you are on and your limits and your status and the dates of when your next payment will be. If you want to upgrade your account, which I suggest you do, you click Upgrade and there'll be a drop down here and you can select a new plan. There's also a downgrade, which I don't suggest you do, but if you do decide that you need to downgrade for some reason or another, you can click Downgrade and it's going to give you a drop down here where you can select a lower tier for running your Platform membership site. Also down here, you're going to see all of your app payments, and this is a list of all of your invoices that were successfully charged. And that really is all there is to managing your billing with inside of Platform. If you have a specific need or a specific question about billing inside of your Platform account, go back to the Support Hub, hit us up in live chat, and we will help you out and get it straightened out for you. No worries. So that's all there is for managing your billing, and I will talk to you on the next Platform tutorial video.